The Harbor Breeze fan. There's two more, but one doesn't work. Over there.
I just realized the canopies are not all the way on there.
The switch housing is loose on this one. It wobbles when you pull the chain. I mean, they move decent air.
They're fast. Pretty fast, actually.
It's not as bad as it looks.
For like a small outdoor fan, I would.
I feel like this would work better in a small bedroom, though.
Yeah, even like a kitchen.
Yeah.
It'd be a good kitchen fan. I actually have the 52-inch version of this. The only difference is they have like wood grain glass instead of the white plastic.
There's like 3 of them in here.
I literally just got here. I only want it because it's a Sears product. There we go, I'm up in the Kenmore too. You gotta get the back.
Taking the Kenmore?
Yeah.
How the hell are you getting fans and I'm not?
Do you want anything? Maybe we can get rid of like a lot of my fans actually.
All the stuff you have that I want is at your house, probably.
Like what? Like what do you want?
Well, I want my grandma's fan bag.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put that up for a video. He wants
Yeah.
I gotta clean all my traces.
And I want my moss bracket. I don't know what else you have, really.
Yeah, that's in my storage unit actually. So is the Harbor Breeze minus blades. Blades are in my room.
I don't know what all you really have, honestly.
I'm not selling that Victorian. I'm not selling my Marco Island.
I'm not selling my Marco Island either.
Well, mine's a CEC one, so.
Oh, you got the early
I
one.
got the early one, but it was my grandpa's.
Got anything to say, Gabe? God bless, Border.